900 XRP was quietly accumulated by whales last month, of which 200 million was accumulated last week alone. So while retail was panicking, the smart money was stocking up. That's not a coincidence, that's a setup. If you missed XRP's 550% run last year, this is your warning, because the same exact signals are flashing again, but this time only the patient will win. I mean, we've seen this story before in 2017. Price pumped, everyone got excited, volatility died, and then XRP looked boring. People got frustrated. And then boom, price rips more than 10x in a matter of weeks. Now it can all happen again, but only if you're ready. Now everyone's asking, why isn't price moving? Well, you're looking at the wrong thing. We know whales are accumulating. We also know that XRP is one of the most widely recognized altcoins in the US. And I'm betting it's not just the US. So whales are accumulating this rising mindshare and this price compression. This is a cock spring moment. In fact, this compressed trade setup is a similar trade setup that led to my ETH trade from earlier this week. Now that one actually printed a clean 13K in profits. I've managed to take 10K out and I've mirrored the trade right here on TradingView. It's the same DNA of price compression. I'm not just watching the trade, I'm positioning for it. Now I'm thinking of mirroring all trades that I take on TradingView. That way you guys get to see how I execute on the trades. If you guys are interested in this, please do let me know in the comments section below. Now we've been building the XRP position since 62 cents, and I believe that we're heading into the next impulsive move for XRP. Now if you're looking to capture this next move, check out the link in the description below to Phemex. We've spoken to them to get you guys a free bonus. That's right, you deposit 100, you get back 50, and if you use the link down below, there's no KYC. Think of this as free money you can capture this next trade with, but you can only get the bonus if you use the link below. If you don't use the link, you don't get the bonus. Now, I think XRP is gearing up for a breakout. The last time we spoke about XRP, I gave you guys the bid zone on the weekly dynamics. Now, the weekly dynamics so far has kept us on the right side of the bull market in this cycle, as well as in the bull run of 2017 and the bull run of 2021. In fact, it was solely responsible for getting me back into my position when I did sell right here. That's what gave me the confirmation and that I was wrong. Guys, if you do not have time to learn how to trade, the least you can do is have some good systems around you that will bias check you. Now this could be anything, but put in the work because that's going to pay dividends. If you don't have time to do that, then check out the dynamic. In the last video, I gave you this as the bid zone, and I for one was looking at the top of the zone coming in at $2.09. Now this was because I saw confluence with the top of the dynamic range and the 40-10 simple moving average. The 40-10 simple moving average has been plaguing XRP since it broke down right here. So when XRP finally reclaimed the 40-10 simple moving average, that was our signal and we were getting a retest of that region. That was an easy bid to manage. Now, if you caught that bid, you are currently up a good 14% on your trade already. While XRP is currently up at resistance at $2.40, there are signs of an incoming breakout. On closer inspection, you'll find that XRP has actually broken out of an inverted bullish head and shoulders pattern right here. So this is our first nudge in that, hey, the bulls might very well be taking over, and if there's any time where resistance is about to flip into support, it might be now. However, I'm always going to urge you guys to catch the high probability trade setups, and the high probability trade right here for XRP is going to be when price takes out resistance and officially flips it into support. The resistance zone that I want XRP to clear out, so clear candle closes over, is $2.40 going all the way up to $2.43. I'm saying price not only gets up to 286, we're going higher from there. Because the measured move of this pattern takes XRP up to $3.52, which would be all-time high for XRP yet again. XRP on the dashboard as well is giving us the long signal on the daily and the 2-day time frame with volatility readings at very, very healthy numbers. When volatility is this low, there's way more juice to go. However, your 4-hour and your 12-hour telling you that, okay, volatility flashing red, you might see a minor pullback before the next impulsive move. So that's a minor pullback that you can capitalize on. I want to urge you guys to start using the Mango dashboard because look at the return so far. Everything's in the green. screen. In fact, Ajesh noticed the dashboard has nailed so many moves so far. It's unreal, and it is. So right now, if you're looking for edge, if you're looking to find the next best trade, check out the Mango dashboard. I'll be linking it down below, app.mangoresearch.co. So don't go waiting on headlines, don't go waiting for prices to pump in your face, because chances are you've missed the meat of the move. Wait for the good bids, make your move, and then ride the trade stress-free. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I'll now see you in the Discord. With this, trade easy, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.